In dynamic CRM, Quick Create option allow you to quickly create the most commonly used records such as accounts, contacts, cases, etc. So rather than going to the home, then the list of records, and then click on the press new button and to create the records, it will take more time. So rather than you doing that one, go to the quick create option where you can create the records faster. So let's see how we can create account records using quick create option. First of all, you need to click on the uh, white plus button over here, then navigate to the account section, click on it. So it will open up a minimalistic form for you, right? So this allow you to do multitasking in the way it doesn't take you to another form, rather than it is giving a overlay form, so you don't need to navigate to any other form or anywhere. So you can just give some name over here, for example ABB call. I can enter any details over here such as phone number, or any other details, and then just click save. So that an account record has been created with very less number of clicks. Then if you want to view the record, just click on view record here, then that will take me to the account record I have just created. So if you look at here, by default quick create option has been enabled for a set of activities which is coming under activity section, as well as set of records. So if I tell exactly, it will be enabled by default for 4 types of activities such as task, phone call, email, appointment, as well as 7 types of entities such as account, case, category, competitor, contact, lead, and opportunity. For invoice as well as the custom entity book, I have enabled separately. So if you have a system customizer or system administrator privilege, then you can enable it for out of the box as well as custom entities. Okay. So one thing to remember here is QCreate is by default enabled for only a limited number of entities, and you can enable it for other out of the box as well as custom entities. I hope it is clear how we can use the quick create option in order to create activities as well as entity records.